निर्मल नाम सहजे जो माता नाम सहजे शक्ति की निर्मल शक्ति की निर्मल नाम सहजे जो माता नाम सहजे निर्मल नाम सहजे जो माता नाम सहजे सहज के धक सहज के माता नाम सहजे निर्मल नाम सहजे तो माता नाम सहजे निर्मल सहज निर्मल को जो माता नाम सहजे निर्मल नाम सहजे जो माता नाम सहजे सहज माता नाम सहजे लो निर्मल नाम सहजे लो माता नाम सहजे निर्मल नाम सहजे लो माता नाम सहजे चलो निर्मल नाम सहजे लो माता नाम सहजे
They wanted me to go there. But something was going wrong all the time. So I just could manage. हाँ? क्या कर? बाद में कर लें शाम को. अब तो यहीं तुम लोग के पास. After seeing so many people, you don't know how overjoyed I am. Tremendous. अरे वो क्या आ गया था सामान? क्योंकि गाय को खुलवाया उन्होंने?
नहीं, आपका नहीं था शिवाजी.
हाँ.
वो रूही का था.
अच्छा, मेरा नहीं. मेरा तो डिप्लोमेट
है. आपने
रूही का क्यों खुलवाया?
Just wanted to see. Then she said के
जक्की. अच्छा, चाबी है रूही के पास?
Yes.
This is supposed to be duty-free place or something. Ruhi, what were you smuggling? ये अच्छा हो गया.
Yeah, yeah. Correct.
Because they were very obliging, no doubt, to give us a room and everything. तो मैं सबसे कहा मैं तो मिलूंगी कैसे मैं in a one small little room. But I didn't know there are so many surgeries now.
Grown. पहले 5 थे फिर 20.
एटलीस्ट और 20-30 लोग और है 20-30 लोग जो यहाँ नहीं आ पाए हैं.
अच्छा आएंगे.
जी आएंगे
शाम को.
जी आप परमिशन देंगे तो
जरूर जरूर क्यों नहीं. उसमें भी कोई परमिशन मांगे. I would love to see all of them. श्रीलंका का ऐसा सोल्यूशन नहीं कराया. वाह वाह वाह. I've been so much worried, you don't know. And how many times we tried to organize. There's one fellow called Srivardhan. I think he was in the UN or something. He was in France. and he's the one who organized. But he found it very difficult, I don't know why. But now things have changed, I think. Still there's going on, troubles are going on for nothing. It was really useless thing to fight like this. मैं मिर्चा नहीं खाती हूँ।
नहीं मिर्ची नहीं डाली है।
इंडिया में बहुत सारे हैं वो बैगेस वगैरह। हम लाए नहीं, में आए थे कुछ, but they were running away from the whole calamity there. So they had another problem, lot of Sergio, and they were not at that time interested because they were in trouble. They had come as political refugees to London. Then I think they disappeared. So इस्लाम पर जो 2 किताबें हैं अभी यहाँ आई नहीं, यहाँ जरूरी भेजना। यहाँ शियाज है कि सुन्नी है?
मिक्स है उसमें। मिक्स है, दोनों है।
दोनों है?
दोनों है।
तो शियाज
ईरान के सब बहुत लोग हैं।
अच्छा, तो शियाज तो सुनते हैं। वहाँ बड़ी भारी कॉन्फ्रेंस हो गई और उस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बिल्कुल 700 आदमी आए थे, उसमें से 300 Muslims थे। They all got their realization. Once they get their realization, they realize, उसमें उसको मिराज कहा गया, realization। बहुत सुंदर डिस्क्रिप्शन है, पर लोग कोई भी चीज पढ़ते नहीं है, ऊपर पढ़ लिया, पाठ कर लिया। अभी मैं गुरु गोविंद साहब का वो पढ़ रही थी, चंडी के बारे में जो लिखा ना, क्लियर कट लिखा हुआ है, कोई उन्होंने धर्म को फर्क नहीं किया, सिवाय इसके कि विच वॉज समथिंग नेसेसरी, देयर वाज so much of ritualism and its worshipping and all that was too much. So he said, let us talk of the Nirakar. Let us talk of the formless, not of form. That's how this started. This is like this, we can say in a simile, you can understand that if you have to get the honey from the flower, they started talking about the flower. But it didn't work out. They became very ritualistic. So they said, why not talk about the honey? So they started talking about Parama Chaitanya and also about the honey part of it that you get. But despite all that, it was just talk for talk. Whatever they have written down is just read without getting into the real meaning of it. You see, this is the problem. So Adi Shankaracharya also said that, oh mother, take me beyond the Shabda Jalam, means this web of words. So they got lost in the web of words, everyone. Not only, we should say, the Hindus or the Muslims or the Christians, Sikhs, all of them, they got lost. And that is how they never got the reality. And when you don't have the reality, you start denouncing. The thing is all false, it's all nonsense. They talk of religion. In Maharashtra and also in Sri Lanka, people were very ritualistic, you see. This should be done, that should be done. But those who are Buddhists were not so much ritualistic. But still they didn't go near the truth as Buddha is described it. Because he said it, Buddham Sharanam Gacchati. That means the one who is enlightened. Buddha means the one who is enlightened.
I'm his friend.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchati. So to enlighten people, we should surrender. Then he said, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchati. Dhammam is dharma. It has to be, Sharanam means has to be sustained. And then ultimately he says, Sangam Sharanam Gacchati. Sangam is, this is Sangam. This is collective. So all these things what Buddha had said also, they couldn't do it because it was just a sort of a mantra saying, everybody saying the same. So I think it's not the mistake of Buddha, but the mistake of the people who never understood it. And that's how so many types of religions came, so many types of, we should say, sanghas came. And nothing but fighting among themselves, thinking that they are all great. But actually, they are all one. All one. They all describe them as one. But we human beings, you see, form separate things and started fighting. So ultimately, one has to understand that if you have to go to honey, you have to become a bee. No use talking about honey. That means you have to be a realized soul. They all have said the same thing. I am surprised how we miss the point. They said the same thing, and that thing is so important. Even Quran, see, my father translated Quran into Hindi, so I know. And now we've got two very nice books. They haven't got the book to them.
We'll send them.
Better send them. Is it allowed?
Okay.
That book has to go all over. Majid was saying that we should send it to Iran. I said, you take it with you. In Iran also we have people who are, at least 50 people are there who are surgeons. The first country I visited was Iran. It was not followed because they didn't have the strength inside. Like once I was traveling from Riyadh to London, and they were all in burqa and this and that, and that dress that they have. Then I went off to sleep. When I got up, I saw people are wearing a bow tie and the ladies wearing very short skirts. So I asked the air hostess, did we land somewhere else? No, we are traveling all the time. I said, from where do these people come in? They said, they are the same. In the plane only they change. Before it is So there it is so compulsory. Compulsorily they have to be like that. And then afterwards, that compulsion goes away, they go just shoot off. So it's not what they say or talk that is important. It has done more harm than anything. Now we are having, even in India, same problems, but worse in Pakistan. In Pakistan, these people from India who thought they will become kings or something, they went to Pakistan. In Pakistan, poor things, they understood that's something wrong. So they formed a group of people near Karachi, around Karachi. And then they started demanding, give us Karachi as a separate state. The whole fight started. With that fighting, ultimately, it so happened that they got separated. But they say this Benazir Bhutto was killing at least 21 of them. They call them some mujahirs. And now the rate has gone up much more violent. I don't know with what idea they went. Now their relations are in India and they are quite worried about, very much worried, how to get these people and how to work it out. Now I don't know if Indian government will allow them to come back because they are regularly killed there. Though they are Muslims and they went all the way to Pakistan. So this is what it is, the problem between the Shia and Sunni. And it is so ancient and so much developed that you cannot explain it. It is some sort of an ignorance.
We had some postal photographs for all these. Yeah, these photos.
Yes, Chala.
Except for this.
Very good photograph.
So, all the collectivity here. Okay. Shimaji's photograph.
हम नींद से उठे तो उन्होंने ये फोटो लिया.
Are the best which we use for all the.
एक ही लाया?
नहीं, काफी. Full bundle है. पूरा है.
अच्छा इसको उठा पे दो. देखो ये उल्टा है ना, तो ये चल नहीं पाता है. सही है धर्मों का. सब उल्टे हो गए. अब उठ गया. देखिए ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. यहाँ लगाओ, यहाँ अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ. ठीक से लाइन से लगाओ. हाँ. So we'll meet here in the night. I hope you are not living very far away from here. You can all come conveniently. But they were not allowing us to get out of the airport. But we gave bundles. The airline organized it.
श्रीमाता जी, ये लिखा था उस दिन बुक आपने देख लिया?
ठीक है.
I had sent a book, I returned it. Did you get it in Delhi? The letter addressed to you.
Who has written? You. It's all right. We can get it published in India. This one fellow who has come now was doing a very good job. Have you seen my new book on Metamodern Era?
New one? New edition?
Metamodern Era.
I've read that, but not the new edition.
Not the new one.
Not the new.
Very well done. It's very good. I'll ask you to do it. Good. this Brahma, Parama Chaitanya, is the one doing lots of things these days, showing lots of miracles. और वो किताब भी लाए नहीं उनको दिखाते जो.
Oh, you have seen it? No.
No.
We'll send you.
ना ना इसमें miraculous photographs.
Miraculous photographs. We'll send you.
This
Yeah.
I had sent
ये
it
बहुत
through
सुंदर है.
courier to.
इसको छपा ली थी इंडिया में.
Yeah.
I have sent it to Arun Goyal Saab.
That's nice.
One copy.
So many miracles are taking.
ये Mr. Nikhil Hetwani, he has a gold business. इनका gold का अपना business.
अच्छा
यहाँ पे. He's been here 8 years. 8 साल से.
अच्छा
Yeah. Also Saxena.
सक्सेना है. कभी करते नहीं काश लोग.
यहाँ कुछ सामान ला के आपको दिखा सकते हैं.
अब क्या बात. इन लोग को सवार है दिमाग कि पूजा में हमको कोई ना कोई ऑर्नामेंट्स देते. एक पागलपन. ना तो मैं वो पहनती हूँ ना ही मुझे चाहिए. तो कोई सुनता नहीं. अब मैंने कहा मैं अपने खुद के तो जेवर बेच रही हूँ, नहीं तो सहयोग कैसे चलेगा. ये भी बेच डालो. कहने बेच डालो कोई हर्ष, पर हम तो देंगे. अब क्या करें. बेकार का पागलपन. कभी मैंने पहना नहीं. अब ये पता नहीं कहाँ से उनको ये कि देवी को देना चाहिए. इस बार हमारे बर्थडे में इन्होंने एक पेंटिंग दी है बहुत 15 फुट. 15 नहीं 12 पेंटिंग दी. उसमें पेंटिंग नहीं है, वो तंजावर का काम. वो डिफरेंट शिव जी के सब एस्पेक्ट्स है. तो बहुत सुंदर. पर मैंने कहा कि क्या तुम लोग वो मद्रास से पैकिंग करा के सब. उनको खुशी होती, मैं क्या. वो लोग खुश होते हैं. अब साड़ियों पे साड़ियाँ हर एक जगह. मैंने कहा आप कहीं द्रौपदी वस्त्रहरण हो तो अच्छा है. If there is Draupadi Vastraharan, then we can utilize those sarees, which are just, I have never even opened them. But I don't know what gives you pleasure to give me sari. शौक है. But how did you manage us to get out from there? जहाँ भी जो खोज रहे हैं वो पकड़े जाते हैं हर जगह. यानी कहाँ तो फिनलैंड है, which is the finished, means land finished in Finland. वहाँ भी सहयोग है. पता नहीं कैसे वहाँ पहुँचते. हर जगह. चिली में है, मेक्सिको में है. मैं नहीं गई अभी. They are having a conference now in Chile.
Yeah, yeah.
Very surprised.
They're very open. The Chile government is very open to.
I've been to Chile.
Yeah.
They will ask me what sort of powers you have. Because I was with man. I said, I know. Because we have heard you have some powers. Give us some powers. उनको कोई political power चाहिए.
माता जी, हम लोगों ने भी शारजा में सेंटर खोला है. हम लोगों ने भी शारजा में एक सेंटर बनाया है.
हाँ बता रहे थे. जो शारजा में सेंटर बना है बन जाएगा. शारजा भी तो गए थे हम लोग, याद है?
जी जी. पहली बार जब 94 में आप आए
हाँ.
थे.
बहुत इंजर्स थे उसमें. सब लेबर क्लास. शराब बहुत पीते. तो समझ नहीं आया यहाँ रह के शराब कैसे.
बहुत पीते हैं यहाँ पे वो.
बहुत. रात भर The whole night I would say I was awake watching them. And I couldn't get a seat, so they gave me with them. And I saw they had nothing to do but drink, abuse each other, shout at each other. All of them were taken. They are also Muslims. Indians, Muslims. One thing, this drinking is a horrible thing. Absolutely. That's why Muhammad Sahab, Nanak Sahab, they all said don't drink. You know, people become just bankrupt. In my husband's family, mother's side, they all used to drink. And they had so much money that the money was put in a tank-like thing, practically covered. And just like as we measure petrol, you see, they had a yard, they used to put it inside. And they used to see how much money they had. Now there isn't even a 5 rupee note. And hurry like smoking. People were not that stupid, I think, to smoke something. But Nanak Sahib has clearly said not to smoke. But then the Muslims go on smoking like mad. And with the Christians, Christ went to a wedding. And then he changed water into wine. Now in Hebrew language, wine doesn't mean sharab. It means, wine means the juice of grapes. That's all. In Hebrew language. Now, I can do that also if I put my hand in the water. You can do it also. It can taste like grape juice. It can. But you cannot make wine, real wine, in 1 second spontaneously. You have to make it rot. It has to be absolutely spoiled. Otherwise it is not. So how he did it instantaneously, see? So that spontaneous happening cannot be creating alcohol. For that it has to rot, it has to... So now for Christians it's a compulsion. It's a ritual. If somebody dies, they must have champagne. If somebody is born, they must have champagne. Because Christ, said it. He never said. And in the Old Testament, where the Jews follow, it's clearly written that all strong juices and all strong wines are not allowed, meaning which are being fermented. Compulsorily, it is said, since the time of Moses, and then Moses got so angry with the Jews that he wrote it down in the 3rd chapter in the Bible, what they call it here, Sharia. He wrote it for the Jews because they were so bad. But लोग कहते 5,000 लोग बाहर बैठे थे, इतना प्यार, समझ में नहीं आता. खा रहे हैं ले लो, ये खा लो, बिस्किट खाओगे? पहले तो आप मुस्कुरा रहे थे, हंस रहे थे, अभी क्या हो गया? आई लीजिए ना. उनके प्राप्त होते उनको आसान. हाँ, लो. और चलती है. हाँ. वाटलं का नाही अरे आप डांस करने वाले have the dance. Thank you.
दीवार है पूरा सहस्त्रार है माँ की
किसने लिखा ये?
जी सब लोग ने मिलके बनाया।
अच्छा
जी,
बहुत सुंदर है। और कौन है? सुर में गाया है, बहुत ही सुंदर।
ये जो भजन है श्रीलंका का है,
श्रीलंका
का है। और
आए दूसरा नंबर।
हाँ तो और ये कार्तिकी का भजन है ये।
कार्तिकेय।
हाँ, जी।
Bye.
I could follow a little bit.
This is Sinhala and Tamil, Srimataji.
Huh?
Mixture of Sinhala and Tamil. Sinhalese language and Tamil language mix.
Just the same. But I felt that Kartikeya was born as Gyaneshwar. That's why at the age of 23, he took a samadhi. But he wrote this beautiful thing, Gyaneshwari, and another one he has written Amrutanubhav. You all should get that English book. It's wonderful. He describes all the experiences of a surgeon. And it was, I think, his Kartikeya absolutely the way his powers are, the way he expresses himself. Later. Hello. Hello. Come here. Hello. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come here. Protocol, eh? Very good.
माता जी एक विनती है आपसे.
हाँ आइए, इधर आइए. Come here.
श्रीमती जी एक विनती है आपसे.
क्या?
कल अगर थोड़ा समय आप दे सकें.
बोलो ना. क्या?
शारजा में जो सेंटर बनाया है, शारजा में जो सेंटर बनाया है,
हाँ.
उसमें अगर आप इसको ब्लेस कर दें.
इस बार तो शायद नहीं होगा बेटे. इतना टाइम क्यों लग गया मालूम?
हाँ.
वो जो हमारा कार्ड था ना, उन लोग को फोन कर रहे थे, तो वो मिल ही नहीं रहे. फिर इतना टाइम गया. अब वो कल आई.
वो सब हम लोग करवा देंगे.
हाँ?
वो सब सुबह हम लोग करवा देंगे.
देखो तुम,
वो करवा देंगे.
कोई जरूरी नहीं मेरा जाना, मैं तो हूँ.
मैं आपके वहाँ चरण अगर पड़ जाएंगे तो
चरण पड़ गए समझ लो. क्योंकि टाइम बहुत कम और उसमें झंझट इतनी बेकार में डाली उन लोगों ने, तो तंग आ गए. अब हमारे हस्बैंड को कल सवेरे फोन करेंगे, वो उनको फोन करेंगे. एक बेकार तंग आ गए. मैं पहले कह रही थी कि रहने दो, तो कोई सुनता नहीं. मैं बहुत खुश होती वहां जाने में. यही सुन करके आपकी कविता बहुत खुश हो. ये पार है ना, इसलिए आप ये फूल लाओ. आपको पानी पीना, आप पी लो. तो क्या बहुत खराब है यार. वो पार है, उनके क्या सब अधिकार है. कपड़ा ला बोला, गिरेंगे बच्चे. बड़ी स्लिपरी है, इसीलिए. नहीं तो मैं तो बहुत खुश होती जाने. लेकिन वो अभी झंझट बहुत बड़ा पड़ा. मैं तो इन लोग से कह रही थी छोड़ो, तो सुनते नहीं. रखा नहीं, बेकार के झगड़े.
शिवाजी जी, आपका सामान जो है वहाँ पहले चेक इन करा देंगे एयरपोर्ट पे.
वो तो 12 बजे करने का.
हाँ, तो उसको पहले चेक इन करा सकते हैं, तो आपको थोड़ा और समय मिल जाएगा.
अच्छा, करा दीजिए. फिर क्या, वो तो मैंने इनसे कहा था कि आप वहीं से चेक इन करा लो, काय को यहाँ ले आए.
वो तो सुबह भी करा सकते हैं, 9 बजे भी चेक इन हो सकता है.
नहीं, मैंने कहा था कि वहीं से दिल्ली से
हाँ.
आप चेक इन करा दो स्कूटर की. हमारे पास 1-2 साड़ी हम ले आए, तो वो उनको समझ में नहीं आया क्या हुआ पता है. यहाँ उतारो, फिर उन्होंने रोका, फिर उन्होंने रूही की बैग खुलवाई.
जब आप कहेंगे तो सुबह करवा देंगे चेक.
हाँ, करवा दीजिए. अब बेटर लास्ट टाइम याद है ना कितनी भागा दौड़ी हुई थी। ओहो
एक शिवाजी जी, एक आखिरी भजन, एक भजन और है।
हाँ जरूर जरूर, मैं तो कहने वाली थी। हो गया होगा। ला ला। पूरे पढ़ के। Absolutely inspired. Very beautiful. बहुत सुंदर। कविताएं इतनी गहरी हैं कि आप लोग बहुत गहरे छू गए। मुझे तो कभी भी इतनी उम्मीद नहीं थी और मैं कह नहीं पा रही कि कितनी खुशी हो रही मुझे। ये तो बिल्कुल वीरान जगह, मैं सोची थी यहाँ तो कुछ होना ही नहीं और यहाँ इतना हो गया। और बड़ी कश्मकश की जिंदगी है, बहुत too much of struggles. I mean, though it looks all right from the financial point of view, but otherwise it's quite a, and also very money-oriented place, and there's not much of love. In this, I think you have done very great, very great. In a desert, how can you grow lotuses? Well, you have done that. Very happy. Very, very happy. She wants to dance now?
Want to dance?
Are you feeling shy?
Dance?
Huh?
Huh?
You want to dance or not? But then dance. Who is going to sing for you? Acha, now stand up, otherwise he's going to dance there. Come along, let's see. She is going to dance also.
श्रीमाता ये लोग ने एक भजन ये लोग ने
इनका भजन है।
हाँ।
अच्छा, पहले वो हाथ से निकालो कैसे?
नम्रता।
आप बैठिए, शांति से बैठो। आओ बैठो, क्या गाना?
ये लोग ने वंदना वंदना जो है ना भजन,
हाँ, वो वाला अच्छा। गाओ, पानी है हाथ से, गाओ सब।
La 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 la.
और बड़े बच्चों ने भी भरे। यहाँ इनके स्कूल अच्छे हैं।
इंडियन स्कूल ही
स्कूल अच्छे हैं यहाँ।
इंडियन हाई स्कूल ही है शिमला।
इंडियन है बाबा।
फॉलोइंग CBSE सिलेबस। CBSE सिलेबस।
अच्छा।
दिल्ली में
एटमॉस्फेयर भी अच्छा है। ऐसे यहाँ काफी फ्रीडम है, बहुत काफी। जैसे रियाद वगैरह में कोई फ्रीडम नहीं, बड़ी मुश्किल। यहीं से शुरुआत होगी। यहाँ पर जो है एक प्रॉब्लम है मुसलमानों का, तो उनके लिए 2 किताबें बहुत अच्छी निकल आई। एक तो फ्रेंच लेडी ने लिखी है, नाम है गिलमेट, और दूसरी एक जावेद, उन्होंने लिखी है। जावेद एक वो हैं ब्लैक बेल्ट वाले, तो उन्होंने 25 ब्लैक बेल्ट वालों को सहयोगी बना दिया। He has made 25 people who are black belt people. He has made them into servants, and they are working among all the Muslims in Maharashtra. In the same way, we had a conference of the Muslims, as I told you, in Lucknow, where we had about 700 people, and out of them 300 Muslims got their realization. It was such a success. They are mostly Shias. So maybe also Sunni, you see, because today this fellow had a spondylitis. So we cured him. Now we said we'll give you the आने दो उनको खेलने दो, अब गिरेंगे फिर से। आई वहाँ सब गीला हो गया नीचे। हाँ गीला है ना, उधर बैठे। हाँ बस ठीक, सब गीला हो गया, पानी गिर गया। हाँ ये फिर से पानी गिर गया, ठीक है। और कुछ अब जल्दी बड़े हो जाओ। क्या चीज? फूल। हाँ तो
I also have a baby sister, but she is only 10 months. I have a baby sister, but she is only 10 months.
सुनाई नहीं दिया, यहाँ से बताओ। अब समझ क्या आने की रो।
I have a sister, but she is only 10 months. Now she is sleeping.
Oh, I see. Then you better look after her.
Yes.
All right? When she'll grow, she'll also sing like you and dance also. All right? May God bless.
My brother is dancing.
You have?
I have a brother, but he is dancing.
He's your brother.
Yes,
Oh, very good. He's very good.
but he is dancing.
You dance? अरे that's all. Wonderful. आप लोग हंसे मत नहीं तो वो शर्माएंगे. You are a great dancer, I must say. हाँ, dance now. और फिर शर्म. Christ has said, no, you have to be like children to enter into the kingdom of God. What does that mean? That means that you have to be innocent. And it happens because, see, when your Kundalini rises, then your Muladhara chakra stops acting, closes. And the only job Ganesh has done is to raise the Kundalini, to support it so it doesn't fall down. All other functions are not there. For 9 hours, 10 hours, nothing. You don't feel like going to the bathroom, anything. Because it has stopped functioning. So all these things are so interconnected. The whole universe, the whole cosmic laws, all spiritual laws is so connected that this happens and that happens. So many things you see in Sahaja Yoga are miracles, but I think there's nothing miraculous. It's the fact. It is there. But for ordinary people, for general people, it is just a kind of a miracle. So many things are happening and it's working out. People are getting cured and improving. Stop. One is sufficient to entertain you. अच्छा बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ शांति से बैठ हाँ अब बैठ जाए हाँ बैठ बैठ आराम हाँ थोड़ी देर बैठ जाओ अच्छा हाँ He's himself giving now a lecture to you. I'm happy you have a school here, so at least your children can be saved.
My brother?
But otherwise this modern life is so horrible, reaching all the cities of India also. And they are introducing all kinds of nonsensical ideas towards you. It's very difficult. Moreover, our cinemas, films, I think now it will improve because there's a big opposition for this kind of thing that is going on. For the one lyrics here and all. Easy to take to something that is subhuman, to inhuman. But to keep to human life, you have to have a certain amount of dharma in it. If you don't even have this dharma, you cannot ascend. So you may follow anyone, you may follow any religion, anything. But if you don't follow the dharma, then you cannot rise. It's like a life which is so in imbalance and it cannot rise. Now that's why they said first follow dharma and then you will have ascent. But not in Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga, whatever you have done, whatever you have been following, whatever have been your mistakes, doesn't matter, you come. And then you get your realization. Your Kundalini will tell you about yourself. Muhammad Sahib said that your hands will speak against you and give a victory. That is, your hands will tell you what chakras you are catching. Where is the problem? But for a Sahaja Yogi, his attention should be on his spirit, not outside. Outside problems can be solved just like this, if your attention on the spirit. Because in the light of the spirit you see solutions, you find your way out for everything, for your health, for everything. So best thing is when you meditate, put your attention to your heart, put your attention to yourself, and also see for yourself how much compassionate you are, how much kind you are, how much affectionate you are. But it is not that I'm saying that we should have attachments like mamta. You can have, this is my child, my house, my this, my that. If that is there, then it's a big problem. That's not love. Love is without any attachments. It's real love. It's pure love. You don't love somebody for money. You don't love somebody for some gain or for some position. But you love somebody because you love. And then that pure love gives you complete joy. If you don't have pure love, then after some time you'll be very disturbed, you'll be very upset. You can feel the other way around. But with pure love, you never feel, you feel extremely gratified and happy about it. So that is what is to be experienced. And that is what one has to experience inside of it. Nothing else. It's the experience, is the point. Now Ganpatipura, how many have you been? Wow. Really? Good. In Ganpati you can see how there is love, with thousands of people, with all the inconveniences, everything. I mean, suddenly they never expected so many people to come. And they didn't know what to do. So thus they made little pendals, suddenly. They never wrote that we are coming, just they arrived. Now what to do? So they made some pendals and things, just temporarily. But everybody was very happy. There is no thieving, no talking ill about others, no discussion, no arguments about it. They only enjoy each other. That's all. That should be so. And I'm so happy to see that also from Sri Lanka I got people. It's a very big desire of mine. You don't know how much I wanted to do something for Sri Lanka. They are very much in trouble every way. And also Indian government is responsible for that, I know. The mistakes they committed and all that they did was very, very wrong. And that is such a wrong thing to do. There was a journalist who came to Switzerland and he told me all about it. And I asked him to publish it, and as soon as published he had to lose his job. You see, because Rajiv Gandhi was this big favorite of your government. And when he said that his mother is the one who taught them all these things and now he is the one who has done this, it was very angry. Because the Swiss bank people said that they are our very good customers. Who? Rajiv Gandhi. So you dare not, all the Gandhi family. So you shouldn't say all these things. And he lost his job. So this is what it is, that even to tell the truth and all that, you have to have circumstances where you can tell the truth. Poor man, he came later on when all that happened. But he told me that for nothing at all there's a quarrel going on. There's no need to have a quarrel. It's gone too much now. I mean, so many people are going to be hanged. But let us see, may not happen, may not take place. I'm just thinking it should not take place for one man to kill 26 people is... It was all manufactured in India. And then they learnt all this guerrilla warfare in India. There were how many, I don't know, but many centers. And Indira Gandhi was the one who started. I know. But what to do? How can you neutralize it now? So people have to understand that no use fighting, nothing. We should try to console them and try to bring them round. Because even in India they have no place to go. So better settle down properly there and live happily, instead of fighting and doing all kinds of wrongs. So one has to talk to them. So who can talk to them also? It's very difficult. We sent somebody from Kuala Lumpur. He went there. He went to the through the airport, and one taxi fellow came, picked him up. On the way he was murdered. They've gone mad. I mean, I don't know. They just don't understand. By these things, you cannot get independence. And even if you get, what happens? Now see, Bangladesh and Pakistan, these are the two countries who separated from the mother. As a result now, Pakistan is absolutely under the control of the Americans. Americans are giving them everything. And now suddenly they are withdrawn. So they are left high and dry. And the economy of it is so bad that they have no industries, nothing, while India has grown. This side is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is one of the poorest country in the whole world. Very poor. My husband used to go to Bangladesh. He said, you better not come because we'll start your Ganga Yamuna all the time. You can't exist there. It's so bad. Bangladesh conditions are the worst. So it is such a mess they have landed. Now, if they were part and parcel of India, it would have worked out, after all. But what's the use of having another country? Now, the reason I found out is this. There are few people who want to have their own importance because they want to be the Prime Minister. Like Jinnah wanted to be the Prime Minister. And Jawaharlal Nehru became, which was a mistake maybe, but he wanted to have that Pakistan office. Same with this Bangladesh one, there was one Mujibur Rahman, he wanted the same. So, but he was the one who was murdered by them. So, you see the situation is such that they want it, but they don't know why they want it. What is the subtle thing behind this? Because they think we'll have ministership, we'll be prime ministers, and then we can take the money of the government. Same with our country. See, those who want power do not want it for power. They want it for money. They say we have invested, say, 3 lakh rupees. So we have to get, this is an investment, you see, some market, or you can call it kind of a bargaining that we have taken this much trouble, we have spent so much money, so the government must give us. And so we have scams, we have these, we have all kinds of things. And all this got pain in the back. Sorry. What's the matter?
He could not fold his legs for
Huh?
He could not fold his legs for a long time.
Oh no, he's put on too much weight. If a diet karao, you sit here with that. Dieting and walking. Let him sit on the thing, let him sit on the sofa. Doesn't matter. He can sit on the chair. There's a chair there. After some time.
You will sit on the sofa then?
There is a 3 candle treatment you give him. That will also reduce him a lot. 3 candle treatment. He'll be alright sometime. With a 3 candle treatment he'll reduce. Alright? You know how to do? Huh. And also then some darn no. It's very interesting. See the laugh. The 3 candle treatments say you reduce, and also should reduce. You people eat a lot of rice, I think.
Yes, they are
But,
still. Yeah.
you take out the water, take out 3-4 times. So there's less starch. Hello?
Starch.
So that will take out the starch. And anything that grows under the Mother Earth, they shouldn't take. Nothing under the Mother Earth. This is the Prithvi Tattva, much more on him. And also you should give him a 3-candle treatment, and Ganesha mantra will help. Alright, it's not difficult. It's very easy. You can reduce it. And also for eating fats will be reduced and carbohydrates. If you don't take carbohydrates at all, then there's no harm. You can take as much as you like of fats. But carbohydrates, if you are eating, then it's better not to eat any, say, fats. That will solve it. It can be done. And if you can do single bar, that's very good. You see, it is, we call it a puffy fat. It's not a bad fat. And then suddenly they shoot up quite tall. Also give a thing called calcinol. You write it down. He'll become very tall. Calcinol. I don't know what you get here of calcium, but it's very good and you can chew it 1 or 2 tablets every day. He doesn't like roti. He doesn't like roti, they
Wheat ka chapati nahi khata. Roti.
likes, then better not give rice. But if you are giving rice, then wash it 3-4 times. Starch, any like potatoes, any starch, and carbohydrates, if you could avoid it. Single bars of father. But I think they suddenly go up like that. She's actually, my daughter herself was like that at the age of 14 years. And now she's very tall, she's I think 5, 6.5. But 3 calorie sequence, very good. Very good. We have lots of people from Ceylon in Kuala Lumpur who are surgeons. They are in Kuala Lumpur. And they came to Ganpati Puri. I don't know if anyone of you met them or not. Chinese came, and also we can call them Tamilians. They came. You speak the same language?
No, we speak Sinhalese.
Sinhalese.
Singhalis. This was in Sinhalese song?
Yeah, that song. It was a mixture of Tamil and Sinhalese.
This picture. लिखते हैं ऐसे सिंघाली?
What is the script? You have a script? You have a
Yes,
script?
they have.
They have.
Yeah.
It looks like Telugu. If
अच्छा,
you see.
तेलुगु. But this fighting for a separate land doesn't help. No way, it will never help. It was a wrong idea somebody else gave. See, if you are in minority and there's discrimination, you can fight it. But don't fight for the separate land, because that doesn't work out. And gradually you suffer a lot. So many examples are there. Wherever they have tried to separate the land, as if the Mother Earth is angry or not. Punjab was doing so well, and then suddenly, I don't know, they took to Pakistanis and lots of Pakistanis came in. The whole place, it was such a prosperous thing, they became really poor. Very poor. So these examples should show that should not demand for separate country or anything. Instead try to bring more together, so you'll be much more stronger. And also help your own government and many people. That would be very good. I was having a talk about Buddha also recently. So they said that Buddha gave up everything and he went away, left his wife and child and all. I said those days are gone. What you are praying for is within you and you can get it. I gave him realization. But the same day I was leaving, I didn't know what to do. He said that if you stay for 1 day more, I would like you to address my all the people, cabinet and everything. I said, I'm sorry, when time will come, I'll come. But we have in Thailand also lots of. Now they are having a bad time with the financial. These times come and go. Bad times come, good time is there. Also this is our, I should say, our fate, that things are there. But more than that is our courage, our realization. With that, what does it matter? You just watch the whole drama going on, sometimes up, sometimes down, it goes on like that. And it's very enjoyable. If you learn how to enjoy it, then you don't mind it. I'm very, very happy. You don't know how much I am touched by this song. Because you have expressed your heart in it. And I said, in this desert, to have people like you, I'm very gratified, very gratified. Now you should get more people and more people. Approach more people from India, from Sri Lanka, and maybe also there are some Chinese. Chinese are very good surgeons. Russians are excellent, excellent. I was surprised at these Russians. They are in millions. You can't count them. And the way they got their realization was amazing. And so sensitive, so deep already. So then I found out two things, that this communism has made them rather introspective. And they developed their depth in that. Because communism was very disgusting maybe, or oppressive, whatever it is. That's one thing happened to them. And the second, there is no conditioning. They are neither Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, anything. No conditioning. They didn't even know about God. But as soon as they saw me, first time I went to Leningrad, I was surprised that when I went to the hall, there were about 2,000 people, 2,000, sitting outside. I said, why are you standing outside? Why don't you go inside? They said, Mother, there's no room, all the seats are full. In Russia, the law is, if you take any hall, they charge you some nominal amount, and they occupy those seats. So they don't give us, neither they give it to anybody, or keep it for themselves. Not much, it's just for maintenance. So they said, there's no seat and we can't go in. We are sitting outside. I said, all right, let me finish the program. I finished the program about 1 hour or so. Came out, they were still there. I said, what are you doing? He said, you said you will come and you were still at the just were waiting. Oh my God. I said, all right, can you come tomorrow morning? There are lots of big, big compounds in every place in Russia. I said, I'll sit on the steps and we'll have the program. Next day, 2,000 inside ones, 2,000 outside ones, and 1,000 more from somewhere. 5,000 sitting. What's the matter with me? Never it happened in this any place. I said, how is it, first time I went, first time. How is it you all have come like this suddenly? What has convinced you? I said, Mother, we saw your photograph. It's obvious, it's obvious. Obvious from your face. I said, look at that. My Mahamaya part finished off, I think there. I said, obvious? Yes, of course. It's obvious. So then, it spread just like fire. We never have program in any hall, but now always in a big stadium, where 20,000 people can be seated. So 20,000 are inside and 10,000 outside. On and on and on. So much so now they are banned, even Hindus are banned there. They have Orthodox Church and some Muslims, something like that they have all. Now, you see, they call it the head of the church, of the Orthodox Church. His name is Alexei. And he has a woman who advises him. Because her Agya is sort of, I think, gone into some sort of I don't know what. Instead of seeing inside, she sees outside. So she sees people as they are. So as a spy, she is the advisor for this gentleman. She came to a program and she saw me and she saw lots of light coming out of it and auras forming. And then she went back and told him that they are not in any way cult, but they are healers. So he says, all right, so we are not banned. Whether they call it healers or anything, we are not banned. And that's how we have started. It's doing very well. But I have seen them anywhere. They are in America, anywhere, Russians. Very, very deep. Very deep. If you could get hold of Russians here, talk to them. Or let us know. We'll find out from where do they come and all that. So their relations will affect. Otherwise they are very much afraid of all kinds of stuff for these false news. Very much afraid. But they are sensitive. They can see ye bahut hai, ye flan. So it is surprising the way they describe to me about ISKCON people. And also they describe to me about the Satyam Sai Baba. They said he's like a gollywog. Before I could tell them anything, they knew all of it. No, we don't want to know. It has gone up to Siberia. So the whole thing is working out in a very nice manner, and things are going smoothly. So all of you enjoyed Ganpati Pure, I am happy to know. And actually for certain people, they have, आपको concession दिया था? नहीं. They can give concession to you. Like we have gone to Kuala Lumpur people. Ceylon से तो कोई आया नहीं था. But they could go to Ceylon and work it out. And if they want to come, we can arrange it. It's a big concession there. It's like, they ask me, I say, I don't know, do what you like. So, because all these people from Taiwan and Kuala Lumpur and all that, East Asian people, they are now suffering. So I don't know what are they doing. I have no idea. Also for Russians, in the beginning I used to pay them when they came. Poor people didn't even have money to buy a little sharbat or anything. So difficult. But now they are better off and they are doing. For a Ganpati Puja this time, will we again have marriages. Last time we had, I thought few people will come, but there were more than 100. And I didn't know what to do with 100 couples. I was thinking, well, from where will I get saris for them? And suddenly they discovered in Kabela, in the attic, 2 boxes full of saris. I don't know. I never bought them, nothing. I mean, I know that. Or I forgot. And that's how the marriages took place. They are very happily married and are gone with their husbands or wives. It's very good. So many of Indian girls are married, and also so many from even Japanese girls. One Japanese girl is married in Kabela. Very interesting. What about Tamilian girls or Sri Lankan girls? We have one only in England. She's Sri Lankan. One person. She's from some university. She came with me to this conference of the peace conference, the women's conference in China. She came, Sri Lanka. I don't remember her name. She's very dynamic. So the whole pattern is so different. This world is so very different. Sahaja pattern is just different. But it's all working out. Spreading very much. Especially in UP of all the place. Oh, I can't believe it. Even the chief secretary is a such. So many secretaries, IAS officers are secretaries. Even in Delhi, but not so many. Delhi we have the DIG police is Mr. Tool, who came and gives a very nice program himself. I was sweet, he came to the airport to see me. They see me. And then we have income tax people, we have customs. I mean, those people who are now wanting to be honest and good. Because satisfied, why do you want to have more? They're satisfied. अच्छा तो फिर कल तो आप लोग तकलीफ मत करिए, बड़ी खुशी हो। This time we, you see, last minute they said yes, you can get out of the airport. अरे तो मैंने कहा क्या फायदा जल्दी क्या करके, तो फायदा ही नहीं है, जब आ ही नहीं सकते तो क्या फायदा। All your love and affection and certainly I got. बहुत देर हो गई सब लोगों को। I think I felt so happy meeting you and so relaxed that I went off to sleep nicely. And they would wake me up. I suddenly thought, but Baba, this shop business has to be done. So the whole thing became very late, isn't it? But what to do?